On a dirt road, headed off into the forest. Ocean beaches stretch out before us. Maybe for a while we'll call it home. The sounds of the jungle wake us at dawn. Hum of the city all long gone. Crashing waves call us out beyond our comfort zones. I watch her dancing there in the sand, holding her own, holding my hand, moving like light on the water. She looked like a goddess. Give thanks for what brought us to this holy land. Who is this girl? Who could she be? Why did she ever choose to come with me into this wild and deep uncertainty? Cause when you travel, life unravels. Face your demons, face your battles. Find your darkness and shine your light. And on that road of many highs and many lows, the only thing I know, I can't imagine you not by my side. From the heights of the peaks we've ascended to the dark valleys below. If I had to do it all over again, I would do it all over. Would not change one thing. Bags on our back, we're off again. On the night train headed to Rajasthan. Coming from transcendental Cambodian temples and dark Laotian caves. Surfing on waves, jumping off bridges, running on faith, lot of near misses. Like held up at gunpoint by Maoist gorillas, just laughing all the way. But that night in Kathmandu, when I thought I just might lose you, rebel incursion, city in flames, hospital bed and you lying in pain. I just hung my head and prayed, questioning all of the choices we made. But under the pressure we rallied together and always find our way. Cause when you travel out the castle, leave the hustle and the hassle, meet your devils, you find your guides. To go beyond and then above, we fell apart, we fell in love. And now I can't imagine me not by your side. After we're gone, long gone, if there's a part of us that carries on, I will come back and find you, my friend, so we could do this all over again. So we could do this all over again. From the heights of the peaks we've ascended to the dark valleys below. If I had to do it all over again, I would do it all over. Into the mother of life and rebirth, and the ocean churning below her. If we get to do it all over again, I would do it all over, and I will come find